Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build brand awareness with Target, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your target audience. Understand their demographics, interests, and shopping behaviors. Research what resonates with them and their preferences. Next, define your brand message clearly. Craft a compelling narrative that reflects your brand values. Ensure your message aligns with the interests of your target audience. Once your message is established, create visually appealing content. Use high-quality images, videos, and graphics that capture attention. Maintain a consistent visual theme across all platforms. Leverage social media to promote your brand. Choose platforms where your audience is most active. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. Develop a content calendar to plan your posts effectively. Incorporate user-generated content to build community. Encourage customers to share their experiences with your brand. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand values. Select influencers whose audience matches your target demographic. Provide them with clear guidelines to ensure brand consistency. Utilize targeted advertising to reach potential customers. Use platforms like Facebook ads and Instagram ads to narrow your audience. Analyze the performance of your ads regularly, adjusting as needed. Attend community events to increase brand visibility. Participate in local markets or host workshops. Network with other businesses to create partnerships that enhance reach. Monitor your brand reputation actively. Respond promptly to customer feedback, both positive and negative. Make adjustments based on the insights gathered from customer interactions. Consider initiating a loyalty program to reward your customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.